Hi everybody, myself M. Manjunath Reddy, proprietor of SciCAD. I welcome you all to today's topic, that is Align command, ALIGN command in AutoCAD software. Align command is a combination of move, rotate and scale. Means by using in one command, you can operate with the move, rotate and also you can scale. This is means the align command is applicable for 2D model as well 3D model. In my today example, I'm going to show you in detail 2D as well 3D. Let me focus first to the example A here. First one, example A, that is 2D drawing here. You can see very clearly the white color drawing in the left side, yellow color drawing in the top side. I say now I typed ALIGN, align command on my keyboard, or short form you can say AL also. AL, enter. I select this complete yellow color drawing, enter. I need to give some 3 reference point. For example, this point, I hope you can see, this point supposed to go and land on this. Done. Next is this point supposed to go and land on this. Done. Last one, this point supposed to go and land on this. See, automatically that object, that drawing got moved, rotate and placed. I hope you have noticed it's a combination of move, rotate and scale that I have shown here in example A, that's in 2D drawing. Now let me move to the example B. This is also 2D drawing. The difference here is this is in one scale, this is in different scale. Means this is the bigger, this is the smaller. But even though this drawing mismatch of dimensions or unequal dimensions can also match. That's what a scale option in align command. Now I'm going to show you how to scale automatically in this align command. Let me say again ALIGN, enter. Select this complete drawing, enter. Now I select first point, this to this is supposed to land on this, definitely yes. Next is I select this supposed to land on this, done. But please note, align specified third source point, is asking for third source point, but I would like to ignore. I wish to ignore this third point. Just I say continue, one dummy enter. Dummy enter will continue here. Next is scale objects based on alignment points, yes or no. I say yes. Y, enter. I hope you understood this concept. Automatically scaled down objects can match to the scaled up drawing here automatically. Just we need to pick a 2 points here. That's it. Okay. Next, I'm going to the example C. This is also a 2D drawing. This is related to civil building plan. A corner of walls with windows, with columns, with the furniture is lying down here. The furniture is obviously out of the building and tilted. This is like a sofa set. 2-seater sofa set is outside the building and tilted. Now what I want to match here is this sofa supposed to be inside the house and in the corner of the house, and it has to tilt also. Means I'm going to move and rotate this by using a single command. As you all know, that is align command. ALIGN, enter. Select the sofa set, enter. Now locate the first point should land, this one. I see, watch out carefully. This supposed to land on this end point here. That will definitely go there. Second point, that's supposed to move or locate on this, that will also move. This is a directional, that direction supposed to be this tilt here. I hope you enjoyed, you understood. The 3-point references are taken to tilt. That is what the beauty of align command is, moved and rotated. Now this is all the part of so far we saw is 2D modeling. Now I wish to move on to 3D modeling also. The same drawing, the magenta color and the white color drawing here, but if I slightly orbit, you all know that orbit right here, or else I can move to 3D platform like this. You click on here, the bottom right side. Here, workspace switching is a 3D model, or a drafting annotation is there, belongs to a 2D model. If I go to 3D model, obviously yes, all the layouts here, the tabs, the menus will shuffle and that keep ready for a 3D options. Now we are in top view. I wish to jump into 3D model, that is the visualize here. You know there's a home tab and I'm shuffling here to visualize. In this, I click on here and I choose SW. SW isometric stands for southwest. I've selected here, I'm moving here, I'm zooming here. Example D we are in. Example D, 3D model. I go here, 2D wireframe, and I wish to choose here, shaded with edges. I click here. You all know that 2D models are ready now. I wish to slightly orbit this now. How again I can do this also? The same command is even applicable for 3D model. The same command is applicable for 3D model. If I orbit this, you can see that clearly all around, right? So here, let me apply this. Let me go back to wireframe again to make clearly the edges here. Okay, 2D wireframe. I wish to apply the same command. AL, enter. Select the drawing, enter. Let me say 3 points as usual. First point should match to this point. Second point, this mid here, whatever the quadrant or mid, let me say QUA. That stands for quadrant. That's supposed to go on land of this mid here, at least. That will go there definitely. The third point, this supposed to match at this point here. You can see now the object got merged. The 3D model got perfect alignment. This you can see that clearly. This got very clear, perfect alignment, right? You can see even in 3D also. Okay, this you can see in 3D orbit also. Again, I'll go back to southwest. Now, similarly, I have one more drawing here. You can see that example, that what we stands for E now. Example E. Here you can see one cut open of the wall here and one door. See the different angle of the cut open of the wall, and the door is lying on floor. It is a flat. Now, normally if you do in 3D model also, you need to move and you need to rotate in different axes. But I can perform this by using the align command only. Same thing. AL, enter. Select this door piece or door model, enter. Select this carefully, the midpoint. This supposed to go and land on here. Please note, first point will definitely go there. The model will definitely move there. Second point, this mid will definitely go here. That will definitely go there. The third point, that this arch starting point, I will locate at this edge. You can see that door got perfect match to that cut open. I hope you understood clearly, and please try this in a different angles or whatever. Okay, the wall cut open, door open matched with the arch door there. And finally, one more example, that is F, example F. Here in this case, I'll slightly vary my example. Here, let us say you no need to match this to this circle here. You want it differently tilted. For example, align AL. I will select this, enter. Now this supposed to land on this edge. Watch out carefully. This supposed to land on, not that exactly. I'm sorry. Let me take a different example. AL, enter. I'll select this, enter. Now I'll take this one. This supposed to land on this edge here, this one. Okay, now this supposed to land on this edge here, this one. And finally, this supposed to turn towards this angle. You can see that the model is raised and landed on a vertical position on top of the first model. You can see that. You can study totally. We need to pick there 6 points actually. Basically 3 reference points there. First point will definitely move. First align point will definitely move. Remaining 2 is just directional references. Okay. Now I'd like to quickly go back to 2D model. That is, straight away I'll go to here. Let me remove the shades and all. I'll go to wireframe. Then I'll move here. In the visualize only we are doing. All I'm doing in visualize tab. I will go back to top view. Everything is perfect. Now the tab source seems to be in the 3D model. Let me come back to 2D. That is, click on workspace switching, go back to drafting and annotation here. If I click that, all will get back to reset into the 2D platform. Done. Now, I hope you understood all these examples. So today topic got completed. I hope you enjoyed the session and gained a good skill. Have a nice day.